Welcome cycling enthusiasts! Today we are diving into the world of top-notch bicycle tires. Whether you are a road warrior, mountain trailblazer or BMX daredevil, we have got you covered. Get ready for the ultimate tire roundup as we unveil the top 7 bicycle tires that promise to elevate your riding experience. From speed demons to rugged trail conquerors, these tires have earned their stripes. Let's roll onto excellence together. This is the top 7 best bicycle tires. At the first position of our list, we have Schwinn replacement bike tire mountain bicycle tires. When it comes to conquering rugged terrains with precision and style, the Schwinn replacement bike tire for mountain bicycles stands out as a true performer. Crafted with durability in mind, these tires are a testament to Schwinn's commitment to quality. The robust construction of these mountain bike tires ensures exceptional traction on various surfaces, giving riders the confidence to tackle challenging trails. The tread pattern is strategically designed to provide optimal grip, enhancing control and maneuverability through unpredictable landscapes. Whether you are navigating rocky paths or cruising downhill, these tires deliver a smooth and reliable riding experience. What sets the Schwinn replacement bike tire apart is its versatility. Suitable for a wide range of mountain bikes, these tires are a seamless fit for Schwinn models and other compatible bicycles. The easy installation process ensures that riders can spend more time on the trails and less time in the garage. For those who demand peak performance from their mountain bikes, the Schwinn replacement bike tire is a stellar choice. It combines durability, versatility, and a stylish design, making it a top pick for riders who seek excellence in every adventure. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Continental Grand Prix 5000 Performance Road Bike Tire. Embark on a journey of speed and precision with the Continental Grand Prix 5000 Performance Road Bike Tire. Engineered for cyclists who crave top-tier performance, these tires redefine the standards of road biking excellence. The Continental Grand Prix 5000 boasts an advanced tread compound that enhances grip on both wet and dry surfaces, providing riders with confidence-inspiring control in any weather condition. The cutting-edge design reduces rolling resistance, translating to increased speed and efficiency on the road. Cyclists can expect a smooth and responsive ride whether they are sprinting towards the finish line or enjoying a leisurely cruise. Durability is a hallmark of the Continental brand, and the Grand Prix 5000 is no exception. Constructed with high-quality materials, these road bike tires exhibit resilience against punctures and wear, ensuring a longer lifespan and fewer interruptions to your cycling adventures. Precision engineering, superior grip, and a commitment to durability make the Continental Grand Prix 5000 Performance Road Bike Tire a top choice for cyclists who demand the best from their equipment. The number 3 position is held by Maxxis Hookworm BMX Bead Clincher Tire. For BMX enthusiasts seeking unrivaled performance and style, the Maxxis Hookworm BMX Bead Clincher Tire is the epitome of excellence. Designed with the demands of BMX riding in mind, these tires deliver a winning combination of durability and agility. The unique tread pattern of the Hookworm tire is optimized for BMX tracks and urban environments. It provides exceptional traction for quick acceleration, precise cornering, and controlled landings, giving riders a competitive edge. The Bead Clincher design ensures a secure fit, preventing slippage during high-impact maneuvers. Durability is a key feature of the Maxxis Hookworm tire. The robust construction resists punctures and abrasions, making it a reliable choice for riders who push their BMX bikes to the limit. Whether you are hitting the skate park or navigating city streets, these tires are engineered to withstand the challenges of aggressive BMX riding. In conclusion, the Maxxis Hookworm BMX Bead Clincher tire is a top-tier choice for BMX enthusiasts who prioritize performance, durability, and a stylish aesthetic. Next at number 4, we have Hycline 2-pack bike tire 20x24x26x27.5-inch folding replacement tire. As a seasoned cyclist, I have put the Hycline 2-pack bike tires to the test, and they have exceeded my expectations. Designed for 20x24x26x27.5-inch wheels, these folding replacement tires deliver unparalleled performance on various terrains. Crafted with precision, the Hycline tires boasts a robust build that ensures durability and longevity. The folding design adds convenience without compromising on stability. Whether you are tackling city streets or rough trails, this tire provides a smooth and controlled ride. The versatility of the Hycline 2-pack is a game changer for cyclists of all levels. The tread pattern ensures excellent grip, enhancing traction on both wet and dry surfaces. Installation is a breeze, making these tires ideal for those who enjoy DIY maintenance. In terms of value, the Hycline 2-pack offers a cost-effective solution without sacrificing quality. With a perfect blend of performance and affordability, this replacement tire stands out as a top choice for any cyclist looking to upgrade their ride. Say goodbye to flats and hello to a smoother cycling experience with the Hycline 2-pack bike tires. The number 5 position is held by HEB ALLSCAPE Heavy Duty 26x4x20x4 bike tire. For riders seeking the ultimate in heavy-duty performance, the HEB ALLSCAPE heavy-duty bike tires in 26x4 and 20x4 sizes is a force to be reckoned with. Tested across various terrains, this tires proves their mettle, delivering a reliable and robust cycling experience. The 26x4 and 20x4 sizing options cater to diverse preferences, providing riders with choices to suit their specific needs. The heavy-duty construction ensures resilience against punctures and wear, making these tires a go-to option for off-road enthusiasts and commuters alike. HEB ALLSCAPE combines durability with traction, offering a tire that grips the road or trail with confidence. The aggressive tread pattern excels in challenging conditions, providing stability and control even on uneven surfaces. Investing in the HEB ALLSCAPE heavy-duty bike tire is a commitment to superior performance and longevity. These tires withstand the rises of various riding styles, making them an excellent choice for cyclists who demand the best from their equipment. The number 6 position is dominated by Vittoria Zaffiro Pro Home Indoor Trainer Tire. As a dedicated cyclist, the Vittoria Zaffiro Pro Home Indoor Trainer Tire is a game-changer in the world of indoor cycling. Crafted with precision and designed for optimal performance, this tire elevates the indoor training experience to new heights. The Zaffiro Pro's unique compound ensures a smooth and quiet ride, minimizing noise for a more enjoyable training session. Its durable construction means you can put in those intense training hours without worrying about wear and tear. The tire's resistance to heat buildups is remarkable, keeping it cool even during the most rigorous workouts. Installing the Zaffiro Pro is a breeze thanks to its user-friendly design. The tire grips the trainer effortlessly, providing stability and reducing slippage. The sleek aesthetics add a touch of professionalism to your indoor setup, making it clear that you mean business when it comes to your training routine. Say goodbye to interruptions and hello to consistent, high-performance training with the Vittoria Zaffiro Pro Home Indoor Trainer Tire. It's not just a tire, it's a statement of commitment to your cycling goals. Finally, the number 7 position is held by Maxis Minion DH Dual Compound Tubeless Folding MTB Tire. For the off-road enthusiasts seeking the pinnacle of performance, the Maxxis Minion DH Dual Compound Tubeless Folding MTB Tire is a trailblazer in the world of mountain biking. Unleash the full potential of your ride with these tires that combines cutting-edge technology with a passion for adventure. Designed with a dual compound, the Minion DHF offers an exceptional balance of grip and durability. Tackle challenging terrains with confidence as the tire's aggressive tread pattern ensures maximum traction on descents and sharp turns. The tubeless folding design adds versatility to your setup, enhancing overall ride quality and reducing the risk of punctures. Durability meets speed with the Maxxis Minion DHF. The tire's robust construction can withstand the harshest conditions, making it the go-to choice for serious mountain bikers. Whether you are navigating rocky trails or speeding through downhill descents, this tire promises a ride like no other. Choose the Maxxis Minion DHF for a tire that's as adventurous as you are, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the mountain. And there you have it, the cream of the crop in the world of bicycle tires. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews and cycling adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy riding!